Banana farming is a significant agricultural practice in many tropical and subtropical regions, providing sustenance and economic opportunities for countless individuals and communities. The cultivation of bananas offers a multitude of benefits, ranging from nutritional value to economic stability. Bananas are a rich source of essential nutrients, including potassium, vitamin C, and dietary fiber. They are readily available and affordable, making them an accessible food source for people of all socioeconomic backgrounds. In regions where banana farming is prevalent, these fruits contribute significantly to food security and nutritional well-being. Banana farming plays a vital role in generating income and employment opportunities. It provides livelihoods for millions of farmers and workers involved in various stages of the production, processing, and distribution chain. From small-scale family farms to large-scale commercial plantations, banana farming supports a diverse range of economic activities. Micropropagation of banana through shoot tip culture is a modern technique that revolutionizes the way banana plants are propagated. It involves a series of steps, beginning with the careful selection and sterilization of healthy shoot tips from young banana suckers. These shoot tips, containing the plant's meristematic tissue, are then placed on a nutrient-rich culture medium containing plant growth regulators that stimulate cell division and shoot growth. Under controlled conditions, the shoot tips multiply rapidly, forming multiple shoots that are subsequently transferred to a rooting medium to induce root development. The rooted plantlets are gradually acclimatized to ex vitro conditions in a greenhouse or nursery before being transplanted into the field. This technique offers several advantages over traditional propagation methods, including rapid multiplication, production of disease-free plants, genetic uniformity, and conservation of germplasm. Challenges such as contamination and potential genetic variability must be addressed to ensure the successful and widespread application of micropropagation in banana production. After micropropagation, the carefully nurtured plantlets are ready to embark on their journey towards full-fledged plant life. The acclimatization phase begins, where these delicate in vitro creations are gradually introduced to the harsher realities of the outside world. This process involves a gradual reduction of humidity and a controlled increase in light intensity, allowing the plantlets to strengthen their tissues and develop a robust root system. Growing banana plants in a nursery requires a meticulous approach to ensure their optimal development. The ideal environment for these tropical plants includes warm, humid conditions with ample sunlight and consistent temperatures. High humidity levels are essential for healthy growth, while prolonged exposure to temperatures below 10 degrees Celsius can cause significant damage. The nursery should provide well-drained, fertile soil rich in organic matter, with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. Banana suckers or tissue-cultured plantlets are carefully planted in individual pots or raised beds, allowing for adequate spacing to facilitate root development. Regular watering is crucial, but overwatering must be avoided to prevent root rot. A balanced fertilizer rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium should be applied every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Regular inspection for pests and diseases is essential, and appropriate control measures, including cultural practices, biological control, and chemical treatments, should be implemented as needed. Preparing the soil process begins with clearing the land of any debris. Tillage carried out with a tractor-drawn harrow further refines the soil, leveling the surface and creating a fine seedbed for planting. The land is shaped into ridges and furrows using a tractor-drawn ridging plow to improve drainage and irrigation. Tractor-mounted post-hole digger efficiently creates planting holes at the desired spacing along the bed. Healthy banana suckers or tissue culture plantlets are then carefully placed in the holes and the surrounding soil is firmed. The banana plant's journey with a small, delicate banana seedling, its leaves a pale shade of green. As time progresses, the seedling grows taller and stronger, its leaves becoming more vibrant and reaching for the sunlight. The plant's growth accelerates and soon it has reached maturity, its leaves forming a lush canopy. In the center of the plant, a cluster of bananas begins to form, initially green and unripe. Over time, the bananas gradually ripen, turning a bright yellow color, signaling their sweetness and readiness to be enjoyed. Banana plants are large herbaceous perennials that thrive in tropical and subtropical climates. They are characterized by their large paddle-shaped leaves and tall, sturdy pseudostems formed by overlapping leaf sheaths. The true stem of the banana plant is an underground rhizome. Banana plants are cultivated for their edible fruits, which grow in clusters called hands that are borne on a central stalk. Banana plants are typically propagated through suckers, which are offshoots that grow from the base of the parent plant. They can also be propagated from rhizome cuttings or tissue culture. Banana plants require warm temperatures, abundant moisture, and fertile soil to thrive. They are susceptible to various pests and diseases. Regular inspections are essential to detect and manage these issues, ensuring healthy plant growth and optimal fruit production. Banana plants, from their initial stages of growth to the eventual fruiting phase, are susceptible to a range of detrimental factors. These include a formidable array of pests and diseases that can severely compromise the plant's vigor and ultimately diminish yields. Among the most significant threats are fungal diseases like black sigatoka, characterized by its distinctive dark leaf spots that impede photosynthesis and reduce fruit quality. To safeguard the health and productivity of the banana crop, vigilant and consistent monitoring is paramount. Regular inspections allow growers to identify the early signs of infestation or infection, enabling timely intervention and minimizing the potential for widespread damage. A multifaceted approach to management is crucial, encompassing both chemical and cultural control measures. Fungicide applications can effectively combat fungal diseases like black sigatoka, while cultural practices such as proper sanitation, crop rotation, and resistant varieties play a vital role in mitigating the impact of Panama disease. Organic fertilizers are ideal for promoting healthy growth. Apply a balanced organic fertilizer like compost tea or fish emulsion regularly, following the product instructions. Caring for organic banana plants involves providing them with ample sunlight, well-drained fertile soil, consistent watering, and regular fertilization with organic sources. Protect them from strong winds and frost, prune dead leaves, and monitor for pests and diseases. By following these practices, you can ensure your banana plants thrive and produce a bountiful harvest of delicious, healthy fruit. Banana harvesting is a meticulous process that involves a skilled workforce and careful timing to ensure the fruit reaches consumers at its peak ripeness and quality. Harvesters typically work in pairs, one cutting the bunch and the other carrying it away. The process begins with identifying ripe bunches. This is often done by visually inspecting the color of the bananas, which should be a light green or slightly yellow depending on the variety. Experienced harvesters can also gauge ripeness by gently pressing the bananas to assess their firmness. Once a ripe bunch is identified, a sharp knife is used to carefully cut it from the stem. This cut must be made at the correct height to avoid damaging the remaining plant, which is crucial for future harvests. The cut bunch is then carefully lowered onto the carrier's shoulder, often using a specialized carrying device for support. The carrier carefully transports the heavy bunch to a collection point, where it is loaded onto a vehicle for transport to the packing shed. Following harvesting, a unique and efficient method of transporting banana bunches to the washing area involves the use of a cable car system. This innovative approach streamlines the process, reduces labor intensity, and minimizes the risk of damage to the delicate fruit. In this system, a sturdy cable is stretched across the plantation, spanning the distance between the harvesting sites and the washing facility. Specialized trolleys designed to securely hold the banana bunches are attached to the cable. Once a bunch is harvested, it is carefully loaded onto a trolley and secured in place. The trolley is then released onto the cable, gliding effortlessly along its length towards the washing area. The implementation of cable car systems in banana plantations has revolutionized the transportation of harvested fruit, enhancing both productivity and the quality of the final product. This innovative approach demonstrates a commitment to sustainable and efficient agricultural practices, ensuring that consumers receive the highest quality bananas while minimizing the environmental impact and improving the working conditions for agricultural workers. The washing process typically begins with pre-washing, where loose leaves, stems, and other debris are removed by hand to prevent contamination during the subsequent steps. Next, the banana bunches are immersed in a chlorine solution to kill any bacteria, fungi, or other microorganisms that may be present on the fruit's surface. The concentration of chlorine and the duration of the immersion are carefully controlled to ensure effective disinfection without harming the fruit. Following the chlorine wash, the bunches are thoroughly rinsed with clean water to remove any residual chlorine, preventing any chlorine taste or harm to consumers. The washed bananas are then dried to remove excess moisture, which helps prevent the growth of mold and extends the shelf life of the fruit. The washed and dried bananas undergo a rigorous inspection and sorting process. Experienced workers carefully examine each bunch, removing any damaged, diseased, or substandard fruits. Following the thorough washing and drying process, the bananas embark on the next stage of their journey, the meticulous process of labeling and packing. At the first station, labeling stickers to each bunch. As the conveyor belt continues its steady movement, the labeled bunches progress to the packing station. Here, skilled workers carefully select appropriate packaging materials, such as corrugated cardboard boxes or plastic crates, based on the size and quantity of the bananas. The bunches are then carefully arranged within the chosen packaging, ensuring optimal protection and preventing damage during transportation. This meticulous labeling and packing process is a crucial final step in preparing the bananas for their journey to markets and ultimately to consumers' tables, ensuring that the fruit arrives fresh, safe, and ready to be enjoyed. Once meticulously packed, the boxes of bananas embark on the final leg of their journey within the packing facility. They are carefully transferred onto a moving conveyor belt, which transports them towards a precision weighing station. At this station, each box is accurately weighed to ensure it meets the specified weight requirements and maintains consistency in quality and quantity. Following the weighing process, the boxes are systematically collected and grouped together, often on pallets for efficient handling and transportation. These pallets of perfectly packed and weighed banana boxes are carefully loaded onto waiting trucks, ready to be transported to their final destination, bustling markets, where they will be made available to eager consumers. This seamless and efficient process, from harvesting to packing and transportation, ensures that the highest quality bananas reach consumers, ready to be enjoyed.